Hey everyone, this is Andre with Wings Mobile Detailing. Today we're detailing this beautiful plane. It's a single engine doing inside and exterior deep, and because we have to wash it indoors, we cannot take the plane out there to do a wash with regular water. So we're doing a rinseless detail using one of the best products out there. We always use the best products for planes, for cars, whatever we're dealing with. In this particular case, we selected to use the Waterless from CarPro, one of the amazing and best brands for detail that we use. So that's for today is detailing the exterior of the plane. It's an amazing product. So we make sure that we get all the nooks and crannies. We watch out for the pivot, you know, those any equipments that the plane has, we always watch out for, cover them up. We always ask the clients if they need the acrylic glass detail. We know how they run, so how they work. So if anybody's interested in getting your plane detailing as well, detailed, we're very intricate on all parts, making sure everything is beautiful, wax protected, and hydrophobic as well for when you fly. Perfect condition. So check out more shots.